The honest merchant. In the bustling streets of Baghdad, there lived a poor but honest merchant named Amir. He sold dates in the marketplace, always weighing them fairly and treating his customers with kindness. Though he barely earned enough to feed his family, he never cheated or deceived anyone. One day, an old blind man approached Amir's stall. "Brother, I have only a few coins. Can you give me some dates?" he asked. Amir took the blind man's hand and filled it with the best dates from his stall. "These are for you free of charge. May Allah bless you," he said. A wealthy merchant nearby watched this and scoffed. "Foolish man, you give away dates when you barely make a living?" he marked. Amir smiled and replied, "My wealth is not in gold, but in honesty and kindness. What I give for Allah's sake, He will return in ways I cannot imagine." That evening, a nobleman came to the marketplace, searching for an honest seller. He had heard of Amir's reputation and decided to test him. He bought dates and purposely gave extra money. "Sir, you have given more than needed," Amir said, returning the extra coins. The nobleman smiled and said, "I was looking for an honest man to manage my orchards. Would you take this opportunity?" With tears of gratitude, Amir accepted. But from that day, his life changed, and he prospered, yet he never forgot his kindness and honesty. Moral: honesty and generosity always bring blessings, even when no one is watching. Allah sees our good deeds and rewards us in unexpected ways.